I'm in a 2014 Ford Focus, and today I'm going to show you how to add brake fluid. So first open the hood, and then right here, this is your brake fluid reservoir. So this is where you're going to add to if needed. On the side there's a max line and a minimum, so you don't want it completely full. There's supposed to be a little air gap. And I double check your owner's manual or good online source you've got the best fluid for your make and model. But to add, you'll just unscrew this cap, and then you might need to remove this bezel here as well so you can get to it. But otherwise, yeah, with a funnel or straight from your liquid jug, just add as needed till you run that full mark. Screw this back on nice and tight, and you hardly ever should have to add to the system. So if you're getting low, I would check really well around this reservoir and all the lines leading to it to make sure there's no cracks or leaks. And if you do find one, you want to address that pretty quickly for safety reasons. But all that said, I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.